So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the PlayStation 4 wireless DualShock controller urban Camo edition. Hey guys, it's Michael from Made Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. Before we get into the unboxing of this device, let's read some literature at the back. It says, and I quote, "Take total control with refined sticks and motion sensors, a built-in rechargeable battery and unique features designed to inspire new ways to play." There is still more literature below. It says compatible hardware, PlayStation 4 system, compatible system software, version 3.5 or later. A USB cable is not included. To charge or connect the controller, use the USB cable supplied with the PlayStation 4 system. Carefully read the documentation supplied with this product before using. Design and specification are subjected to change without notice. Now let's unbox this and see what is inside. As you can see, we only have the controller. This is the urban Camo edition of the controller. I like the build quality and design. I will give it a 7.5/10. On the left of this controller, we have the direction button, L3 button, also known as the analog button, share button, built-in speaker, PlayStation button or home button, extension port, 3.5mm stereo headset jack, R3, also known as the right analog, and one of its features is you can use it to take screenshots by holding it down. Also on the right, we have the XO box and triangle button with the option button, which is used to pause your gameplay. At the top, we have the L1, L2, R1, R2, light bar and micro USB port. That's all for today's video. Thanks. Thumbs if you love it, subs if you love it, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.